Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide mini is Leonard from the Gears and Guns expansion set. He was black and white Zenithal primed and get started with his jacket using Death Reaper. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I used Army Green for his jeans. For all of his exposed skin, I went for Corpse Pale. Since in the artwork he's very pale compared to the other minis, this is going to be the base coat. His grey hair gets done with Grimy Grey from AK Interactive. To get started on the highlighting, I used Cold Corpse Blue to bring up all of those raised parts of his jacket, just leaving that darker tone in the shadows. While I wait for the grey to dry, I grabbed olive green and added a highlight onto his jeans. Finishing the highlights off, I used Wizard Grey for all of the sharpest edges on his jacket. Before doing these straps, I get all of the metal parts done with Surcoat Silver. Now onto all of those leather parts, I used Vallejo's Leather Brown for these. As with all my Zombicide minis, I used Plague Brown on the base. Moving on to the washes, I used dark tone wash over the jacket and the metal parts. For everything else on the Mini, I went with a wash of light tone wash. Finally, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Leonard, a very quick and easy mini to paint up. Altogether, I think he took around 20 minutes to get painted up, which is below my limit, but still pretty decent. And I don't think I can add much more to this mini. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.